song is called Loch, composed by a poet from North Conamara called Mícheál Mharcais Ó Cualáin. He was known to be a poet. Everybody knew he composed songs. There were some people who were known to be good song composers, you know, poets years ago in Connemara. Apparently the villagers anyway, or the people of the area, they wanted to make him compose something. They knew he'd be walking home this night, and there was an old piece of a boat, sort of a figurehead thing, and they put seaweed on it to make it look like a woman with long hair, and not a mermaid, but some sort of a figure. And he composed a song where he imagined that he had a conversation with this woman. In the song, she was praising him and telling him how clever he was, and asking him to elope with her. And she was obviously made up because she wasn't a real person. But he made this up. He obliged the people who wanted to compose the song. He composed the song, and they just have a conversation. I think. Oh, he says, I'll get back to you sort of in 9 days. I need to check a few things, sort of. That's basically, it's very complicated, but that's how I can summarise this song. It's a funny song anyway when you know what's happening in